A quiet bedroom launch seeds a viral journey when a small creator uploads a candid moment that unexpectedly resonates worldwide. The moment spreads through timestamps and shares, not polished production, proving authenticity beats perfection in the fast scroll. Each repost adds a new context, turning a simple laugh into global memes, charity drives, and countless remix ideas. The creator stays off camera, letting the clip's magic breathe, while collaborators amplify it with clever captions and timing. Soon a tiny seed becomes a cultural thread, reminding audiences that spontaneity, not polish, often powers YouTube virality.